Are you looking for a complete, ready-to-install balustrading product? Are you tired of buying off-the-shelf parts? Do you want to buy a ready-to-install solution? Let us take care of it. Get a complete system from one place. With our over 40,000 square foot, state-of-the-art, manufacturing facility and operations, we design, cut, and manufacture everything to your specifications here on site. Having all raw materials and equipment needed to manufacture here on site, and because we've helped throughout the design process, we're able to complete and ship your balustrade or Juliet balcony with clock-like precision, ready to install when it turns up to your site. Are you excited for a ready-to-install solution? To learn more about the Balconette affiliate program and all we can offer, go to www.balconette.co.uk/join or give us a call.